Hello student, welcome to today's session on the question of the day. Today is the 24th April and we are going to discuss another important question from the topic SQL function. So let's see the question first and then we will discuss the solutions. So it is a 3 mark question and it has internal choice also. Very simple question. We have already seen such type of question in our previous question of day sessions also. So it is very similar to that. Data is little bit different, but you may solve this question without looking my video also. But if any student wants to try it out, just solve this question and comment the solution in the video, okay, below. So I am just solving the first portion of the question first, and then we will solve the OR portion. So first question is asked to predict the output of these simple SQL functions. You can easily solve this. And in the OR question, it is asked to write down the SQL queries for these three questions based on the table given above, that is named as employee. So let's see the first portion of the question first, and then we will see the second portion. So the first portion is very simple. So I will predict the output of this. For solving such kind of questions, I have already given you trick, that is the box method. You need to write a box, okay, and in the box you will write KENDR and then I, then Y A, and then space, then VIDYAYALAYA, okay, like that, Vidyalaya, okay. So and then you will write the number on that: 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, now you need to predict the output of the select. So you need to know what is the left function, what left function does. Left function does extraction of the string from the left side. So its argument is passed as 3, so it will extract leftmost 3 characters. So left hand side is this and right hand side is this. So leftmost 3 characters will be what? These 3, KEN. So its output will be KEN. Very simply you can write. Now second portion I am writing: select substring from computer science 5, 3. Again we will use this box method. I am writing this string into the box. So COMPU. The advantage of writing in box is only that the position will not be wrong, and it is easy to see the computation, okay. Otherwise if you directly count 1 2 3, then there is a slight mistake may be possible, and due to this slight or small mistake the answer will be wrong, okay. In that case your marks will be deducted. That's why I am using this box method. In that it will take little bit time, but the answer will be definitely correct, okay. So the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 and then 16. So here it is as substring method. You know what the substring method do. Substring method takes two arguments. 5 is the starting position. From the position 5, how many number of strings you need to extract? 3 strings. So 3 length string. So from the 5, what is the 3 length string? UTE is the 3 length string from the position 5, so its output will be UTE only, okay. That's a very simple question. So this 5 is the position from which you need to start, and 3 is the length of the string that you need to extract from the position 5. That way you can answer this question. Now we will see the third portion. Third portion is simply asking you to calculate the length of this Udaipur city string. So again we will write this city Udaipur in the box. So UDAIPUR, okay, and then space and then CITY, okay. Now number it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many number of characters are there in this Udaipur city? So 12 number of characters are there, so its output will be 12. So very easily you can answer this question. It is very straightforward question. You should be able to answer this question easily using this box method, okay. I hope you got this answer. Now we will see the OR portion questions answer, okay. So OR portion is given like this: Mr. Ram is working on a MySQL table. Its name is employee, and it has 3 columns: employee number, name, and department name. Okay, department name is given like sales department, IT department, HR department. You need to write down the SQL query for the following tasks. So first query we will display: to display the values of the name column in capital letters. To display the values of the name column in capital letters, what you will write: select, and then you need to display the name in capital letters. In for capital letters, which function we use? We may use the upper function, or we may use the UKS function. Any one of the function you can use to display the name of these employees into capital letters. So I am using here upper function. You may use UKS also, and then I am writing the name of column name, then from table name. Table name is given here employee, so that way you can easily answer this question. So it is the answer of the first query. Now second query is asked to display the last 3 character of the column name. You need to display the last 3 characters. The last 3 characters means from the right side you need to display the 3 characters, and for displaying the 3 characters from the right side we can use the write function very easily. So you will write the select. You should know which function do what, then only you will be able to write down this query. So write and then name, and then you will write the 3. So it will display the last 3 characters of the name column. From which table you want to display? From the employee table, because the question in the question it is asked to apply this write down the SQL query based on this table. Okay, that's why we have used the from, we have used the employee table in the from. Now let's see the third question: to display the 4 characters from the 4th place of the column department. For that purpose, to display the fourth character, to display 4th characters, it will not be th. To display 4 characters from the 4th place of the column department. So from the department column, what he want, from the position 4, 1 2 3 4, he want to display the 4 characters. So it will display es space d, it will display es space d, it will display d e p and then t, it will display, and fourth d e p t. So its output, he wants you to write the SQL query that will display the output esd, and then esd again, and then dept, and then dept, because he wants you to write down the SQL query that will display the 4 characters from the 4th place of the column. For that purpose you may use the substring function. Substring function you may use substr function, any one of the function you may use, or you may use the mid function. These 3 functions will do the same thing. So I am writing this using substring method. So select, then you will write the substring substring, and then you in which table you want? On the department table. From the position 4 you want the 4 character string, so I will write 4,4 here, and then from I will write the table name employee. So that way you can easily answer this question. So you should know these 3 functions: upper function, right function, and substring function. In place of substring you may use the substr or mid function also. And why we have written either 4,4 here? Because in the question it is asked display the 4 characters from the 4th place. That's why we have used 4,4 here. So this way you can easily write the answer of this question. I hope you got the solutions. If you still didn't got the solution, you may ask it into the comment box, or you may watch the video on the string functions on the in the playlist uploaded already. Okay, so if you like this video, please press on the like button and share it with your classmates so that everyone can get benefit. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.